things in the new house. So, hi! Bubuksan natin tong, ano to? Pagkaabalahan ba to ng pamilya? It's a Proform Carbon TL Smart Treadmill. Yan. Smart treadmill pala to. So, naku, magiging ganito ata yung katawan ko, daddy, ah. So, ito yung New Year's resolution namin, 2024. Yan. So, try naming maging fit. Ayan na siya. So, ang bigat nito, no? Oo, grabe kasi puro bakal. Solid siya. They said na smart siya, daddy. Kasi siguro yung mga touchscreen na to, yung ganito niya. Oh, nice. Unboxing time for us. Just sharing to you guys our New Year's resolution this year. May bagong kasama ang pamilya. So, dito siya mag-i-stay. Oh, yun nga lang. Masikip na talaga tong basement din namin. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. So, ang dami na naming gamit. So, dito pa naman kami nag-entertain ng mga visitor pagka may mga party din kung minsan. Pag marami, maraming visitor. Anyway, samahan natin si Daddy mag-unbox.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
So, ang dami din pala niyang parts. Naliligo pa si assistant eh. Yun lang, ang problema. Naliligo si assistant mo, si Dexy. Dexa, come here! We're here in the basement, babe. Come here, Daddy's doing something. Di pa naman marunong tong si Dexa. Kaya hindi natin siya maasahan. Ayan siya. Ay, yan na. Ayan na. Uy, wala kang tsinelas, Dexa. Can you please get your sleeper upstairs? Nandyan sa hagdanan lang. Diyan lang sa hagdanan. Diyan lang. Oh, si Dexa. Ang gulo. So, marami na naman tayong itatapon yan, no? Yan, no? Sa mga ganyan niya. Yan, so, siguro hindi naman siya ganun kakomplikadong, buuin. Yun lang ang mahirap dito yung pagbaba, daddy. Bigat ata to. So, we will make time na gamitin yan. Siyempre, mag-alat ka talaga ng time. Kahit na in a week, we can do like thrice or apat, not bad na din. Kahit hindi naman everyday. Hoy, bakit yung sinuot mo? Ang gulo ng babaitang to. New Year na New Year, ganyan ka. Hindi mo pa rin iniwan yung kaguluhan mo nung 2023, Dexa. Ayun, ano yan? So, iuurong na lang ba yan? So, Dexa, you want to use this one too? Parang mas maganda to kaysa yung nakita ko sa Costco. No? Parang mas latest siya. Kasi nga, smart treadmill siya.
Oh, wow, this has weight too. It has weight.
Oh, ano to? Kahoy.
Where's
Yan.
kahoy?
Laro na tuloy si Dexa. Ayan. So, ito na siya. Si basa na aso. Yan lang ang alam mo. I know. Wow. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda niyang decoration. Ang ganda niya lang tumambay dito sa tabi. At hindi magamit. No, we will try to use this one para ikaroon naman tayo ng motivation to exercise. Yan. So, ang purpose nito is for the family to have motivation to burn some calories. Dexa, na ingay mo. Ha?
Panlaban sa lechon.
Oo nga. Panlaban sa lechon. Ang ano lang naman eh. sinasabi lang naman nila is mostly, ang nagpapaano talaga sa katawan is sugar. So, that lechon is okay. Basta, huwag kang kumain ng kanin.
Nobody touch my plant.
Okay, Dexa. Dexa, huwag ka namang, dyan, magulo. Huwag ka magulo.
Kunin mo yung scissors na siya.
Okay, help Dada. Come on.
Can you grab the big scissors
You
there?
said you're not my friend.
Then,
You said you're not my friend.
Ito ang ayaw tumulong sa pamilya. O, ayan, ayaw tumulong. Tumulong sa pag...
you don't want me to be my friend?
Gusto niyan tumulong sa
We're
pagkakakalat.
friend now, okay?
Okay, friend na. Okay, friend na daw kayo. Come on, friend na.
Thank you.
Ayan, nauto ang babaita. Sige na. Sabi ko sa'yo, may sarili kang tsinelas, Dexa. Get your own slipper, please.
Find it.
Ang gulo ng babaitang yun. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, ayan. Back to my vlog. Ay, ano yun? Dito tayo. Kasi nakasagabal ako dun. Ditong angulo. Ayan. So, ang dami pala nilang nilagay na padding. Eh, no? Ayan siya, oh. So, it take time pala din na baklasin siya. Tapos, ang hirap din pala to buuin pagka sinoli, no? Kasi uso dito sa Canada, pagka hindi mo nagustuhan yung item, you can return it in allowed days. For example, 45 days, 30 days, parang ganun. Nandun naman sa resibo niya.
Lalo po pag maliit, mahirap
Oo, isoli na. I know.
kailangan mo kasi
Yeah, magbuhat no? Yun lang. Hopefully, this one, doesn't need us to return. Kasi yun nga ang problema. Mabigat to. Kasama ni Dex sa trabaho nga yung nagpasok nito eh. And then, I think I did not get any clips. Clips lang ata, pero yung shorts.
Nobody touched this. It has nails stuck to it.
Okay.
It's danger.
It's danger. Danger.
I'm not touching it anymore. I scared.
Throw na lang si Dexa dun sa gilid, oh. Pinagkaabalahan siya, Daddy. Oh. Ito pala is folded daw, guys. Pwede mo siyang i-fold. So, kapag i-fold mo, ganito pa din ang niya? Ang laki niya? Oo, kasi hindi naman yan pwedeng ma-adjust eh.
Folded niya, stand lang.
Oh.
Tayo lang siya.
Ha? Ganun ba yun? Hindi, akala ko yung folded na in maliit na maliit. Hindi, I mean, pwede mong, tiklopin ng mag-half siya. Hindi, kasi solid to eh. Yan, Yan, maingganyo na yan si Dexy na mag-exercise kasi gusto niya daw din eh.
Oh, pranks. Like that. Pranks! Yay!
Yan, so dinedecide namin kung paano ang kanyang pwesto. Yan, if doon or dito. Yan, ang monitor niya. If dito ang monitor or doon. So, suggestion ni husband, here, kasi nandito yung TV. So, you can watch where you're doing your treadmill.
No.
Yeah, yan. So, pag ganyan eh.
You could watch TV. You could do treadmill while watching without the TV. Because you could stick an iPad here. You could
Ay, iPad ba yan?
Yeah.
Oh.
You could stick an iPad and then you're watching.
Oh, ganun ba yun?
Like running.
Oh, ito ko. Dami alam ni Dexa. Okay. Thank you for the suggestion, Dexa. Ayan, ang gulo. Lagay siya. So, yan, may mga kasamang ganito. Mga screw. Ano. And then, i-assemble pa to ni husband. Yan.
Hey, don't
Marami talaga kayong buuin, guys.
We need that one, Dexa.
Yeah.
We need that one.
Dexa, don't touch the one. Akala mo may sticker mo yan, Dexa, sa mga laruan mo. Hindi yan. That sticker for this one. Okay? Na-interesado siya na narinig yung sticker. Ayan, this time, andito na si Dexy. Na siya, inassist niya na ang daddy niya. So, mahirap nga naman itong mga manual na to kasi ako, personally, ayaw ko yung magbasa ng manual.
Play Roblox here.
Come here! O, naririnig nyo guys. Si Dexa yun. Nagwawala.
Use the phone.
Nasaan?
Oh, they're showing.
Eh? You're in the video. Okay. So So, it's time for putting this one. Yeah. So, ito. Inayos na ng dalawang mag-ama. Ayan.
It should be facing the other way.
Ah, ganyan
It should be
siya.
flat on there. No, flip it.
Pag ganyan?
No, flip it upside down. We should see this side because we're working here.
Oh, lalagyan nyo ng sticker na ba yan?
Brave.
Ah, lalagyan nila ng ganyan.
And we're gonna attach the wire.
Sige, dun ka na.
Wait.
Ito yung
Sila talaga yung tandem pagka may i-assemble dito sa bahay. Busy silang dalawa. Ayan. So, Dexy, umpisa na natin mamaya. Ha? Magkatamaran naman tayo niyan.
After I
May lulutuin pa nga kaming kakanin.
Talaga yung inaano ko sa akin, tapos yan, hindi nilang ano yun.
Ang tagal daw i-assemble.
Yes, you know.
Sige, pakita namin pag natapos. Itong stage na sila, to ilalagay na tong parang monitor niya to. Eh no? Yan, parang monitor niya to. Nalalagay na ng dalawa.
Wait, it should click.
Yan, buo na siya. Buo na, Dexy? Tapos na ba? Not yet. Akala ko tapos na kayo. Ayan, ang ganda din ng pwesto niya lang dito. Ayan, oh. Sa gilid siya. Ayan. So, tama-tama yung sinabi ko na kitang-kita mo yung TV pag nagda-treadmill ka. Babawas ka ng taba. Taba, no? Ayan. Tinatighten pa nga daw nila. So, hindi pa talaga pwedeng gamitin. Ayan. Ayan. Sige, screw pa more. Ayan. Yan, mahirap din siyang buuin, Daddy. Ano sa tingin mo? Madaling buuin o hindi?
Panis.
Talaga lang. May papanis-panis ka pa. Ano yung kanin?
Hindi nga palawisan.
Talaga. Ay, tinulungan ko naman ni Dexy. Ayan, oh. May naririnig na ako na gumagamit. Ayan. Ginamit na niya. Just ka. Eh, your feet, Nice. Ano lang naman kasi niya. Tinatry niya. But you have to use your running shoes, okay?
Proper outfit.
Yeah, and then outfit. You make yourself sexy.
No,
Like that one in the box.
but I'm gonna play Genshin on it.
Yeah, you can. Ayan. So, tinay lang ni Dexy. Paalang siya. Ayan. Meron din siyang timer. Is this a timer?
No.
Oh, yung parang lakas niya. Okay, help mommy kung ano yung mga feature niya, okay? Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano pipipindutin ko dyan. Mamaya yung sobrang bilis eh.
Ito lang.
Ha? This one?
Tapos
Oh.
program ata yun din. Tingnan nyo na lang kung anong program.
Okay. Sige, aralin.
Yun lang, ha?
Stop.
Okay. Sige, yan ang aming vlog. Happy New Year! Happy New Things sa amin.
Okay,
Bye! Start the year right! Ayan na tayo. Woo! Guys, ito lang tayo. So, ang speed ko lang ngayon is parang umpisa lang. Naglalakad lang. Aray ko. Sige. Asan natin naman ng konti. So, meron siyang ganito. Pwede mong i-adjust yung speed. And then, kung gusto mo parang pa ganyan, incline mo siya. Kasi flat lang siya ngayon. Ayan, pwede. Ayan. So, speed. Ayan. Oh, binawasan ko ang speed. Taasan natin ang speed. Para talagang lakad, din tayo. Brisk walk. Ayan. Yan! Happy lang, guys! Ito ang ating New Year's resolution. Hindi pa nga ako naka-outfit yan. For 30 minutes, done na tayo. Okay, tapos na. And then, ito yung mga performance ko. Okay, calories. Mga ganun-ganun. Meron din siyang ganyan. Okay. Done. Okay. Sharing this unboxing moment with Dexy.
It's for Dad.
It's for Daddy talaga.
Yeah, it's for Jesse.
And so, ito ang bagong
iPhone
Pro Max.
Yeah.
And
So,
I think it's in black, right? I've got the 15 plus. It's pink.
plus.
Plus or 50, only the 50, like iPhone 15 or 15 plus is pink. The iPhone 14 Max, I mean iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, that's like, doesn't have pink.
Oh, I see. Anyway, this is black.
Yeah.
Ang kulay ang binili namin ni Daddy.
USB-C now.
So,
So
what's...
it's not normal charger, it's USB-C now.
Okay, so what's the difference between that?
Charging, I think it's a charging part. I don't remember.
Okay, that iPhone 15 Pro is Max is in-order kasi natin online with the Telus. So, nag-renew kasi ako ng contract ko this year. I think that's my phone. And then, pwede na ulit kaming kumuha ng another phone that one is for 2 years. So, yun ang purpose.
So that it works with his
Yeah.
Apple Watch.
So, itong Apple Watch niya should have a new phone kasi yung phone ni Dada ay sira na din, no? Yeah.
That's your fault. You don't use a case.
Dahil hindi siya gumagamit ng case. Ayan na nangyari sa phone niya, guys. Ayan.
All
So,
of the phones that go
pwede pa sana to kung hindi basag-basag. Ayan naman ang
But
cellphone niya.
some of my friends have an XR2.
Yeah, then it's still working. Ang ginawa kasi ni Daddy, hindi niya iniingatan ng phone niya. So ngayon, it's time for him to buy a new one. Kasi nga, yun nga, nakita nyo naman, basag-basag na ang kanyang cellphone. And then, hindi na pwedeng i-pair tong relo na binili namin sa kanya kasi nga,
Out of storage.
out, yeah. At saka maliit lang yung, I think, how many gigabytes lang yan, Daddy? 132? Mostly ganun, di ba?
Lowest nila.
The lowest ata nung pinili namin yun. Anyway, so yan. So we will share to you this unboxing. So we will unbox this one just to share to you guys yung bagong membro ng aming pamilya, which is si Daddy ang gagamit nito.
It has 1
Terabyte. Oh yeah, so 1 terabyte na ang kanyang storage.
sana all.
Kailangan kasi ni Daddy yan. Yan.
Maka-download ako 1 terabyte. You know what I could
Yeah.
get with that? I could get Genshin, Honkai Star Rail.
Konti lang naman yung mga ano ni Daddy mo,
Project
yeah. So, pang lalaki siya kasi black ang pinili namin yan.
So sweet. Oh my
So,
God,
ayan
the
siya.
titanium.
Slim, no?
Yeah, I love the finish of the titanium and like your like it's smudge proof. Like my fingerprints don't show on like on
Oh,
mine.
I see.
It's like
Yeah.
mine's like a glassy texture.
Yan, so, yan, unbox natin. Bibilhan na pala natin tomorrow, guys, ng protector sa harapan.
Look, iba yung charger niya.
Oh, yes.
See,
Iba
look
yung
at the
charger.
Here, this is the 15.
But we can still,
This is the 14.
yeah,
Iba yung
but we
charging
can
port.
still use the charger nito sa atin.
I think it's different.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
Wait, let me look
Yeah.
on mine.
So, si Dexy, naka
Yeah, it's
14
different.
siya.
It's different.
Huh?
It doesn't work.
Oh, I
Okay lang naman
see.
kasi may wireless naman tayo.
Eto si Dexy, this is a 14 Pro, then 15 to. Ito yung gamit kong pinakaluma, which is ako palagi nagvo-vlog.
Okay, you have both the 12 and the 15.
Yeah.
Next year. Yeah. Next year. Next year.
Yeah.
But yeah, they switched to USB.
No, I'm just kidding, guys. I can use also this one pag nasa labas kami
So-
and I will vlog. Yan, pwede naman siya. But this year talagang para kay Daddy to kasi black siya. So, yan. So, siya ngayon ang holder ng latest na phone sa family namin. 15. That's 15 Pro Max at saka yung 1 terabyte to. Yan. So, i-open mo na, Dexy, if you have time. Yeah.
I don't think it's charged.
I think yung mga ganyan naka-charge na siya. Yan. So, mostly, pag binibigay na sa atin, naka-charge na yan Not fully charged, pero naka-charge
Yeah,
siya.
they switched to USB-C. So from now on, each time we buy phones, it's not gonna be the charger we now have, but USB-C.
Oh, I
think
see.
Samsung also has
So,
USB-C.
So, USB-C pwede din natin gamitin sa mga 14, no?
No.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
only
that's
for the 15 and then up. 15.
up na. Okay.
It's-
Yan. So, isi-set up na ni Dexy. So, as
Here's
usual,
will be
yung
yung
setup
default
niya.
continue.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, set up without another device.
Mhm.
Choose a Wi-Fi network. See.
Yeah.
Um.
Okay. So,
Yeah, I'm just joining Wi-Fi.
oh, ginoin ni Dexy ang wifi namin here sa bahay. So, yun, i-prepare na namin tong relo niya.
Ako din yung Apple Watch niya. Sana all.
Paano pala pag wala kang Apple Watch? Hindi pwede?
Ah.
Apple yung phone, hindi pwede?
Yeah,
No.
Samsung has their own too.
Yeah.
So,
So,
hindi ka pwede maka-Apple
no.
Watch?
No. You cannot pair it. So, kailangan bago mo magamit to kasi ang laman nito, laman din na nasa cellphone mo, Dad.
How to set up his, put your cat face in the middle.
So, sineset up na nila
While
yung...
Daddy's setting it up, let's
Yeah.
open his case.
Okay, yeah, ayan yung pala yung case niya.
This, guys.
Ayan. So, mas mahal po yung case niya kaysa sa akin. Kasi itong case ko, binili ko lang sa mga parang Chinese na ano dito bilihan.
And so,
Pero sa kanya, binili
Here,
talaga
please,
namin to
snacks.
sa sa Apple Store. Ayan, so yan. White lang ata. Buti lang white ang nabili din natin kay Daddy. You know, it's clear.
it's, cause
Come on, Dexa.
bro, you guys
We're,
wanted to get the pink and
we're sharing a vlog for Daddy's phone. Wow.
Maganda, guys.
Yeah. Wow, ganda ng case. Sana all ang case. Uy, gusto kong bilhan tong akin na case.
I want one too.
Ang ganda ng case mo, Daddy.
Dada,
Yeah.
congratulate you.
Wow, congratulate daw. Wow.
Love.
Wow.
Okay, this is
Congratulate mo si Daddy. Ayan, ang phone ni Daddy. Saan?
Guys, let's go back to the
Wow.
Apple Store. I want a keys too.
Yeah, I want a case. Gusto ko din ng case na ganito, guys. Oo nga, bakit may puti na yan? Si mga... Tanggalin mo nga, ba't parang may puti? So yan, 69 pala to sa Apple Store mismo.
I want one.
Pero yung akin ata ano na, magkano lang yan. Uy, gusto ko ng case na white. Uy, parang ano to, hindi to naka-charge, Daddy. Low bat siya. No, hindi naka-charge. O yan, no. May binili din kaming bagong charger. So, pwede yung Apple Watch. Yan, pwede yung Apple Watch namin. Pwede yung phone. At pwede yung AirPods. Yan. So, 3-in-1 yung binili namin na to.
Transfer mo, madali lang.
Yeah.
Quick start. Oh, don't. I
Yeah,
wouldn't.
so,
Personally,
transfer?
It also
Okay.
transfers iCloud then.
okay, let's try, okay?
My charger.
Okay, I think this one is from Apple too.
Yeah, this is
In-order namin sa Apple. And, medyo costly nga lang ata to, yan
It's
siya.
not directly from. We bought it from Apple, but it isn't by Apple.
Oh, I see. Ibang but it's,
It's an Anchor.
yeah. Made for watch. Ayan.
Yeah.
Yung MagSafe. MagSafe ang pangalan niya. So, ito siya. So, it's, ay, mabigat.
Yeah, it is really heavy.
Yeah, heavy yung kanyang pero maliit lang to. Yan. So, open mo na, Dexy, para magamit ni Daddy. So, charge niya muna to para i-prepare natin sa kanyang phone. So, ito yun yung binili naming 3-in-1 na cube. So, ganito lang siya.
From the old one?
Yes. Okay. So, I think you have to click this. No, anak ko. Not that one, yeah. So, this one is for your, not AirPods, but
Apple
yung watch. Yeah.
But this is for your AirPods.
The AirPods and then
your
phone. Yan. Yan ang ano niya. Siguro ito is kanyang, to.
Charge ba yung phone? Sige.
Wala pang, hindi naka-plug in.
Hindi, ipa-plug in natin, guys. Yan.
Hindi, kakabit ka sa kahit may case.
Hi!
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi maganda yung case mo na yan. Hi! And si Dexa kasi wala kanina kasi busy siya. So, i-charge natin. Ayan. Charge natin siya para magamit. So, I think, can I have your phone, Daddy? Ilagay natin dito. Pwede siya.
Need a phone.
Yeah. No. I'm good. Yeah. So, ganito siya. Yan, Dad. Ang maganda dito, kasi pepesto
not
talaga siya. Oo, yung likod kasi niya, merong ganito. Ayan.
Apple Watch sa likod niya.
Yeah.
No, Apple Watch dito. That's,
Tapos AirPod.
Ito yung Apple Watch sa gilid. Ayan, Dexy, hindi pala nakaangat kaya parang ayaw kanina. So, ganito siya. Ayan, so isaksak natin para ma-pair ni daddy mo tong phone. Kasi isa-set up na din nila yung kanyang phone para magamit niya. So, yeah.
It's USB-C.
Yeah.
Wala tayong socket nito.
So, daddy, you can receive your mails here. Basta kasama mo yung phone. Kasi eto, kukuha siya ng dun connection dito mo.
Oh my God, I love it.
Ayan. Okay. Set up lang muna namin. Ayan. So, nagcha-charge na siya. So, ito yung binili namin. Maganda tong charger na to kasi nga, kaagad-agad siyang nagcha-charge. Ayan, oh.
Wait, okay. Let's do that one off. Here's the difference which I don't like about from Anya. With the new one, you see like the metal here.
Saan?
It's shiny, right? And then in the new one, it's matte.
Hi everybody, today we opening our gifts.
Yan. This is from Ninang. Oh, you did not see. It's Ninang give you. Ninang Nomi and Ninong Rex. From Hesed and Hans.
Let me open it.
Okay. Wow. Wow, it's a Bible. Okay.
Wait, let me read one page.
Okay, read one page. The first one lang muna. Oh, it has a dedication, Dexa. To, let me see. Dexa. Merry Christmas.
Wait, I'm gonna read one. A love letter from God. I
Wow.
want to read God Save You.
Okay, let's show them that you know how to read na. Okay,
No, so I'm gonna read this one.
Okay.
Because I know how to read this one.
Okay,
only.
go ahead.
God sees you.
Very good. This is for Dexy pala to. Sorry about that. So, this is for Dexy from Tito Rex and Tita Nomi.
Yeah, and I'm gonna shoot. And I'm gonna,
Dexy, say hi. Say thank you.
and then I'm gonna show you something.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna read part 2.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
God sees you.
This. Okay.
This name to the Lord who spoke to you. I, the Lord who sees me from, she said, I have
Sin.
seen the one who sees me.
Very good! Ang galing na ni Dexa! Okay. Do the honor to open your gift na. Okay? Okay, so this one is from Ninang Nomi and Tito Rex. Okay, open. This is for Dexa. Okay, open, open, open. Okay, Dexa, open. Show us. Oh, nice.
What is that?
I'm excited.
Clothes?
Is it the clothes?
Yeah, I think so. Or is it stuffy?
Stuffy or clothes?
Clothes.
Okay. Wow. Ooh, that's so nice. Wow. It's a nice clothes. Gusto natin yung clothes niya. Ang ganda.
Cute. It's perfect for Christmas.
It's a nice clothes for you, baby. Say thank you, Nina.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's nice, right? Okay. Show us. Stand ka. Stand ka. Let's see that one. Wow. It's a nice clothes. Thank you, guys, for the love for Dexa and Dexy.
Ooh, fits me.
Yeah, I love that too. Okay. That's all.